Random rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't ya? I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity, I'm the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, Dutch, Dutch. Dutch Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dutch. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti. So dollar bills can kiss my Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch Daddy, yeah.
Дебютный, what's up?
Random rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't ya? I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme.
Want to greet my grandma who got in at all time hype.
And it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity, I'm the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dutch. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti. So dollar bills can kiss my Go Dutch, 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 Dutch. Go Dutch, 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 Dutch Daddy, yeah.
I see Jewel is all in BTC. Nice. Enjoying this dominance. Yeah, but the gains are not that good, man. XRP got a lot better gains. You know, this is like 3% here and 4% there. Dobar tek, Drago. Ili dobar dan.
rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that I can see.
Go, Daddy.
Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity, I'm the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be
How's everybody
a
doing, guys?
millionaire. Go Dutch, go Dutch, Doge Daddy.
Yeah, I think we're gonna hit 64.8.
Daddy, yeah. Dancing
boy.
Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna
Moonshark.
scream. I wanna be a millionaire.
64.8. Everything is 64.8. 64.8.
Doge Daddy, yeah.
65.5.
Go Dutch, Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dutch. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti. So dollar bills can kiss my Go Dutch.
I'm up 130 XRP if I move back. Within 2 hours, I'm happy.
Daddy, yeah.
We are playing Doge Daddy until Bitcoin hits 64.8. Okay, guys. Doge Daddy until Bitcoin hits 48. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Can we do it? I don't know, man. These small time frames look quick. I don't know if we can do the move. I don't know if we can do the move up here. These 5-minute chart looks they look quick. Look at this. Ah, man.
Random rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you?
It's up here, man.
I make no apology. I'm in love with a meme.
I don't know, man. I don't know if you can make it.
And it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire.
Brilliant news on the euro. Beats euro already made an all-time high. Woo!
Like electricity, I'm the path of least resistance. Always lies the way for me. I'm in love with a meme.
Oh yeah.
About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream.
Nice.
I wanna be a millionaire.
Guys, if you're not bullish by now, I don't know what you're gonna be, man. If you're not bullish by now, I don't know what you're gonna be.
Doge Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch. Go Dutch.
I love Benjamin coming by his streams in some Doge Daddy.
Yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love.
Do you think Ara will come alive? In all season, yes. We are waiting for all season.
I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch. Go Dutch. Doge Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch.
Samuel and Benjamin is live now.
Go Dutch.
Kevin Svensson is live now.
Yeah. I see stars when I hear Dutch. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars.
Let's steal his show.
Confetti, so dollar bills can kiss my Go Dutch. Go Dutch. Doge Daddy, yeah.
He's looking at 1 minute chart, man. He's looking at 1 minute chart. Is that 1 minute chart on his this up here? Bam, bam, bam. This looks like a 1 minute chart. Is this 1 minute chart? Yeah, this one. He look at it. Dude, he's looking at 1 minute chart. I'd love to buy Doge. You know what? Let's chill with Doge Daddy. You know, we're gonna play it again when we get at 64. 64. Let's just find some chill background music right now. We're not gonna do any laid back stuff. We're gonna do like really hi-fi. There we go. Relaxing, cool, upbeat stuff. Other will fly once eat flies. Yeah, but yeah, guys, what's with this? So Bitcoin right now, it's even a small pullback. I don't think Bitcoin has what it's gonna take, you know, to hit right now to this up here. It looks kind of weak. It looks kind of weak. Maybe it does this with a wick. I think it might go someplace and then go with a wick up there and then down again. I think right now, you know, it's getting pretty close to the, you know, tops up here. It's getting some kind of divergence going up here. Let's see 30-minute chart up here. Yeah, 30-minute chart does not look convincing though. Does not look convincing. Let's see 1 hourly. 1 hourly just goes up. 1 hourly is nice. 4 hourly. 4 hourly pump, no there is anything. Looks nice. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. This looks very nice. Daily looks nice. Weekly looks nice. Everything. The most important one, the weekly and daily looks very nice. Let's see the monthly. Wow, the monthly is actually, you know, the monthly has to, you know, do some big moves. Big move to the upside. The monthly has to do biggest move to the upside, you know, to correct this, you know, if you wanna, you know, correct your monthly. So, you know, maybe a couple of more months up here, you know, to 200, you know, what is that, like, up here somewhere 200,000, right? Monthly got a work to do, but you know, we are you know, changing, you know, we didn't get cross down, you know, we're changing right now up here towards the upside. We bounced towards the upside. So, you know, I had this theory about, you know, extend, smack, hug, dump, and this is getting invalidated right now. There is no extend the weekly, man. There is no extend the weekly. Let me show you up here. I don't think it's extend on the weekly. Like if you let's go to BLX up here, just so, because we have a lot more data up here. So right now we are on the weekly, we are up here, and I'm looking often at 10 moving average because that's the, you know, don't mind the Elliott waves, guys. Don't mind the Elliott waves. I'm not doing this in secret, you know. This is nothing. Don't mind Elliott waves. I don't do Elliott waves, guys. I don't do Elliott waves. Okay, don't misunderstand, you know. Don't misunderstand. So you can see these stops up here. We are not extended, you know, we are high, yes, but we are not, you know, this high up here. And these levels up here above, you know, they happen quite often, you know. So are we high? Yeah. Are we, you know, oh man, Elliott waves are coming back, man. But we are not that extended, so we got a time to go, you know. We got a time to go. Hope everyone is longing this. Why would you long the top, man? It doesn't like to be far away from 10. It didn't 8 weeks ago and had to pull back. Yeah, but this is the 10 moving average. This chart up here, this TLI overextend, this TLI overextend indicator is showing you exactly how far are we from the price. The price is zero line, and you can see here we are overextend. Now here we did the same thing. That's why you're saying 8 weeks ago we did the same thing up here. You can see here. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 weeks. Okay, so maybe you can't take this one as well. But up here, yeah, sure, man. Sure, man. We are up there. But it's not like just it's gonna go down here. These are relative extended levels, and this was the first pump. Right now, you can go like, you can see here, up, higher, and then it goes down, right? So you can get these higher pumps, right? Higher pumps, right? Up here, you know, go up 2 times and then higher, go down higher, you know. So are we high? Yes. Are we totally overextended to some, you know, baddies degrees up here? I think, you know, up here, you know, that would be bad, you know, because it's very rare. But right now, no, I don't think we are extended. We are extended lithium, but it's normal extension. 20 October, yes, tomorrow, guys. 20 October tomorrow, and we are getting the moon phases tomorrow. Where are the moon phases? Up here, moon phases. We are getting the new moon. Let's see it on another chart. There we go. And the next moon, guys, is on the 20 October, right up here. bullish moon. Now this moon, this is the new, this is dump moon, but when dump moon does something like this up here, guys, this is bullish. So we are thinking we're gonna go like this up here and do this for the second time up here, and then this one is gonna push us all the way up there, and then we're gonna dump. So this is the dump day, this is the dump moon, this is the dump eclipse, and this is the dump date. The dump date is on the 4th December, guys. So you got on to 4th December. So what I'm thinking right now, this move is going up now up here. It's gonna go all the way up here to 80-90,000. This is when this is on the 4th November. That's 4th November. That's when altcoin season is gonna kick in. Once altcoin season kick in, we continue going up for next 2 months. 2 months of we got 2 months of altcoin season, and then it's dump. Okay, so you know we gotta push as far up as we can, guys. We gotta push as far up as we can, and you know this is right now you're getting the full moon. You're gonna push higher. You got a new moon slower, and you got a next full moon really high, right? Some kind of 300,000. Like it can go pretty high. You know, it depends on how I draw the chart. If I do something like this, like you know, it can go even higher. You know, it all depends on how I can go by how much I can do this. You know. But yeah, it can go pretty high. It can go pretty high, and we are looking at all kind of numbers, guys. All kind of numbers. Why does the indicator look like it's dropping down? Because that's how it works, man. That's not bad. That's normal. That's good. So let me show you up here on the weekly time frame. Let's remove this. So this indicator, why does it look like it's dropping down? Because it should drop down. It's following the 10 moving average. So you can see here we went up here and then down, and you can see here this was the actually it was up here because it is a little calculated differently, but doesn't matter. It goes from the 0 line towards the upside, right, towards the upside, goes 0 towards the upside, and it goes down here and goes down to 0 line, right? But it can do something like this as well. It can do something like this as well. You can see here we are hitting the 0 line up here, and it didn't go down. It just did like this, you know. It just did like this. So the thing is the price it can do something like this up here, right? Price can do something like this and then go sideways, and then you got this moving average right here where start moving average up here, go something like this, right? Then on this chart up here, you know, the 0 point will be at 0 point up here, and this 0 point will also be a 0 point down here. But this chart will do something like this, you know, it goes up strongly up, and then you know it goes down towards such. So maybe something like this, you know, something like this. Although the price didn't do this, it did this, you know. Okay, let me draw it a little bit. So the price does this, okay? Goes up and then goes sideways, okay? So moving average goes something like this, right? And then you know this chart goes up with this, and then all the way this sideways movement goes back to the 0 line, okay? So it's normal movements, even go sideways, you know, because we are measuring the distance. We are measuring the distance between the price and the 0 line, right? We are measuring the distance between the price and 0 line. So that's how we figure out, you know, extensions. 65.5, 66k minimum. Moon hasn't played out. Yeah, you wait until tomorrow. That's gonna be big. This week, I mean. I think it's going around go until around 4 December, and then we'll peak altcoin season, and alts will run a little longer. Yeah, how did that actually work out before? Let's see here. You know, to figure out the alt season up here, 2017. This is the you know, we gotta add it to the chart. So what we're trying to do now is we're trying to figure out when altcoin season ended. Okay, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna add the BTC USD chart up here. Oh no, this is a we're gonna add a BTC USD chart up here, new price scale up here on the side. What you can see here, logarithm, it doesn't matter. What you can see here is that Bitcoin top came exactly up here, and this down here was actually, you know, ending of the, because Bitcoin goes down, altcoins. So you know the top on Bitcoin also it's top on altcoins. The altcoins doesn't run, you know, when Bitcoin starts going down. So when Bitcoin starts going down, that's over for altcoins, and it's a lot worse. This is terrible. Like Bitcoin's gonna go down, but if Bitcoin goes down 50%, altcoin's gonna get down 80%. So that's a bad news for you know, but they did go on, you know, alt season did, you know, had nice pumps up here. This is alt season, this is some kind of alt season up here during this dump up here. We don't here. Let's use BLX chart. So every time Bitcoin has this pullback on downside, altcoins like ramp up, and then it goes up, and then on pullback altcoins ramp up, and then goes up, and it pullback. Maybe altcoins ramp up this last time. So let's see up here how this actually worked out. You know, Bitcoin altcoin season started here, all the way to the top. You see top up here, you know, that's when we ended, and then Bitcoin started going down. Altcoin started going down worse. No, this is actually wait. I'm misinterpreting the chart. Bitcoin is going down, but the dominance is, you know, crashing down. Maybe the altcoins did actually run up. Let's see if we can get another chart up here. What is called crypto market. What is the chart for crypto market cap without Bitcoin called? Selena left Zeus for me and we've been pumping all day. Dude, don't mess with her, man. What's up, Tia gang? I'm here late to the party. I was on the moon and didn't notice the stream. Ooh. What's the crypto market cap called without the Bitcoin? There you go. Exclude BTC, this one. So yeah, okay, so Bitcoin topped up around, you know, 11 December, but you know, it was the 1st of January that was actually finished. But you know, the altcoins did run up after it as well. But it's in the, but you see up here, like, they kind of started at first, and then like at the last third of the bull run, altcoins like exploded to the upside, right? In the last part, right? And the same thing happened here, I think, as well. You see how here, up until here, actually up until here, nothing happens. Like they go slowly towards the upside, and it's only on this part up here that altcoins exploded up here. You can see that, right? Altcoins exploded exactly at this point. And right now, what you can see here is that Bitcoin, everything exploded to the upside, but right now this is going sideways, and Bitcoin is actually, you know, right now it's going. Let's pull it up a little bit down up here. Right now this is kind of going sideways, while Bitcoin is going up here, right? So it is kind of losing against Bitcoin, but I think as soon as Bitcoin hits some kind of, you know, 80,000, that this is gonna go like this, you know, towards the upside, you know. Why is BTC going up if BPO ETF doesn't let you actually hold the BTC? What? So for me, last week of December-ish. So yeah. Bitcoin, Swedish krona, all-time high. My Swedish sota bror. My Swedish sota bros. Hi Cabman. Guys, every time Cabman is in the chat, we are in the bull market. You have to understand that. Cabman is the ultimate indicator for the bull market. So every time you see him come back here, you know why he is here, because you know it's pumping. People are foaming in. Cabman, unfortunately we didn't hit 64.8, man. We turned down. It was good run though. It was good run for me at least. So you know, it was good run. How's the futures ETF work? I have absolutely no clue about ETF, how they work or whatever. But you know, they didn't dump it out. Cabman should stay, lols. Yeah, we're gonna keep Cabman. So when all-time high, yeah, when is all-time high, guys? When is all-time high? I'm thinking maybe 4.8. How much did this take? Let's see on the days. Day or two. I think day or two. As there is still interest in BTC, and with futures you need to replace the order monthly. Easier is just to hold the actual thing. Futures, you bet on the future up or down, then in a month it matures. Thank you for your answer. Actually good answer. Did I answer anything? Oh, Spovi answered. Today, Mladen Petrov thinks, you know, we're gonna hit all-time high today. I don't know. We can do that. We can do that. Let's see 1 hourly. 1 hourly says no. I mean, there is still like 6 candles left on 1 hour. What's like 4 3 candles left. 4 candles left. So maybe. Double top projection like 65k. There is no double top. I mean, I don't think. I wouldn't say that wicks count as a top, man. Wicks doesn't count at all. You know, top is down here. You know, 63,000. But this is too big chart, so it's actually a 60k. And we are past that. This is double top. This is, you know, if we up there and then go up here and then go down, this is double top or something like this. Sorry, something like this. You know, this is double top. You know, but you know, this up here, I won't say this is double top. I would say this is very, very bullish. There is also no divergences. MACD is looking nice. Everything is going up. Why should we be any bearish? 6.5 hasn't even been hit. Bears need to GOTO sleep. Finito. Yeah, I mean, if you are still a bear on this, you know, yeah, you're having a bad time. Rejection 69 because all of the virgin jokes. Yeah, sure. We're gonna reject the 69. And then we're gonna, you know, get rejected at 420 as well, you know, because why not? But I wouldn't mind getting rejected at 420. If it doesn't count, then BTC is already new all-time high. Yeah, of course, BTC is already a new time high. It doesn't count. I know a lot of people like this number, you know, 64,000, because, you know, we went there. And technically we are looking, you know, to get new price discovery. But what everybody, you know, we tech analysis, what we are looking is this 60k number, and that's got broken last week. So that's already finished, you know, that's done. So we for us the 64k is just a number. The 60k is a lot more important number to break. Tila, would you have a look at the Phantom BTC chart for me? Objective is to make more BTC. Okay, if that's the objective, sure. And I know that Bitcoin is pumping. This is weekly, this is daily. Well, Phantom does look like it's winning against Bitcoin over here on this chart. At least, I mean, it's been winning against Bitcoin forever, because, you know, it does so much. 1.2% away from all time. CME, yeah, CME is getting pretty close, but not quite there yet. Let's see on CME future chart here just for a second if 5 minute. How is 5 minute looking on CME futures? Yeah, the same. Let's go to Phantom BTC. This 5 minute chart, sorry. Daily chart. So, you know, Phantom, this should be low. This is a guys. So I saw this chart and I thought it wasn't I thought it wasn't logarithmic chart, because usually when you see a chart like this, you know, it usually you put it on logarithmic, then you get something that goes like this, right? You take this chart and put it on logarithmic and it does this. Look this. This is how explosive this chart is, guys. This is how explosive this chart is. It's insane. Didn't do anything. That said, I've been in some kind of triangle up here. Let's go see the weekly time frame up here. Okay, could we pull some, you know, pull some nice lines up here? There doesn't seem to be a nice line. Up here, yeah, there's some kind of support up there. It looks like, you know, he just, you know, got support on this 20 moving average right now, trying to break this 10 moving average, but Bitcoin is actually, you know, doing the job. You can see here the move and right back down again. Bitcoin is actually doing the job. Let's see some indicators down here, what we have. Let's remove everything. Let's create the chart up here. The momentum is kind of dying. The momentum is kind of dying. I don't know why. Is he gonna lose against Bitcoin? I mean, he surely can't. The momentum's kind of dying. Why? Let's see this on the weekly time frame. Technically, I mean, it got 2 red candles, so it gotta be like this, you know. It gotta be like this, you know, and it's going down. So I don't know. It's hard to actually, you know, compare this to Bitcoin. I never, you know, I don't do much of that. But I don't know what to tell you, man. It looks okay-ish as long as it doesn't fall below 20 moving average, right? Then we are looking for a different support. Crypto tweeted that 90% of the BTC holders are in profit now. That is bullish, no? I think so, yeah. Because that number is gonna go, that number has to go up. Because the higher the price is, when you hit the all-time high, you should have 100% of Bitcoin holders being in profit, right? Because when you are in all-time high, right now only, I mean, how can 90% be in profit? Because we are right now so close up here. I think he was meaning down here. Doesn't matter, because when you're at all-time high, doesn't matter where you bought it previously, you are always in profit, technically speaking, right? Yeah, play Dodge Daddy so we can buy the dip. I did play the Dodge Daddy, man. I played Dodge Daddy for like 15 minutes in the start. But sure, we can play Dodge Daddy again. I mean, we're gonna be playing Dodge Daddy all day long, so you know, no problem for me. No problem. Like 64k is a Dodge Daddy territory. Crypto for life. Why is nothing? I mean, nothing besides it is going up. All this is ridiculous. No, it's not ridiculous. Exactly what needs to happen. Altcoin season is not kicking in, and we are waiting for altcoin season, guys. You have to understand how these things work. This is how Bitcoin does it.
I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity on the path of least resistance. Always lights the way for me. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go Dutch.
So much bullishness.
Go Dutch Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch.
There is no money coming in. Only people selling house to buy. Yeah, that's correct.
Dodge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be
Rabbit Finance.
Go Dutch. Go Dutch. Dodge Daddy, yeah. Go Dutch. Go Dutch. Dodge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hit touch. Forget the moon, I'm off to my.
So I think it will go before bigger outs. It is ready, man. It is ready. Look at this.
Go Dutch. Go Dutch. Dodge Daddy, yeah.
It is ready, man. It is ready to go. Dodge Daddy, get it. Dodge memes, moon boys going, and the cycle repeats until max FOMO is achieved. Yeah, we gotta get it to the max FOMO. Deep music working. 63.7. Yeah, deep music is working. You know, I figured out everybody wants to get 64.8, so I thought let's, you know, start the stream at 64.8 and see if we can dip it a little bit. You know, deep music. Just so when you don't mention a rising wedge, which I think is very clear. I want to enter, but I'm trying to be skeptical first. Good to be skeptical. Let's look at a rising wedge. Did I miss the rising wedge on probably what you're talking about is this one up here, right? The rising wedge. Yeah, but you know, yeah, be skeptical, man. Be skeptical. That's a good thing. This looks like it's gonna that can break on the downside. You know, if Bitcoin continues doing the thing, you know, it might break on the downside. Let's see the daily. Hello, how high do you think BTC dominance will go? I don't know. No effing clue, man. But Vichen, yeah, I didn't see the rising wedge. Still in triangle. Even if it goes down, it's still in triangle. It is a nice wedge. I'm trying to find something bullish about this, you know, some error or something like that, but it is nice wedge, unfortunately. You know, it is nice wedge. So this copy now, hold down. You know, it is nice wedge. I'm not gonna say anything. It's nice wedge. Now, who said this? Alberto Gonzalez Crespo. Now listen to me. Rising wedges do tend to break on downside, and if this breaks on downside, that's fine. But in a bullish scenario, in a bull market, oftentimes these rising wedges do break on the upside. And if this one breaks on the upside, this is one of the most bullish signals you can get, right? That's one of the most bullish signals you can get. On the downside, if it breaks on downside, we are looking for some kind of support down here, right? And seeing how far it goes. Also, if it breaks on downside, it just doesn't do anything and it goes up, that's also a bullish signal. So just breaking down doesn't mean it's gonna hit the target, because oftentimes the patterns don't hit the target. They come close because get stopped by something else and go the other direction, right? You got some kind of triangle, you know, some kind of target is gonna be up here, but it goes up here and then for some reason goes down, right? So, you know, there can be, and you know, we've seen oftentimes, you know, triangles that go a very nice triangle. You got certain target from the breakout to up here, for example. It starts going up here and then straight down, you know, for some reason, right? So breakout doesn't always mean the breakout is gonna go down. The same way this breakout on downside doesn't mean, you know, it's gonna go all the way down here and then, you know, continue towards the upside. It might just, you know, do something like this and continue to upside. So although it is you know, bearish rising wedge up here, and we should expect it to go to the downside, it doesn't necessarily have to be some kind of a bad sign. Which one is that? Oh my god, lucky I sold out. Nope, not there yet. Wait until December, lols. I will not be shaken out of my position. Where are we in the moon phase? Just where we should be. One day before the new moon, the full moon. Luna pumping, can take a look, my man. When you say Luna pumping, if I take a look right now and it's not like something like between 5 and 10%, I'm gonna be mad. Okay? 4.37%. I'm mad. 4.37%. That's not pump. I don't know, man. Are you calling this the pump? I mean 4.47. You wanna see pump? You wanna see pump? This is pump. This is pump, man. Okay, that's pump. So next time you say me, hey man, can you look at this pumping? This is pump. If it's less than 64%, I don't want to see it, man. I don't want to see it, okay? If it's less than 64%, I don't want to see it. Ron Adopter is in the house. Hey man, how you doing? By the way, Ron, are you member on the Patreon? If you are not, because I'm talking about the dent, you know, we've been watching that dent is on the line. We are all looking for the dent to break out up here, right? So it looks good, man. It looks good. So soon, dent is gonna break out soon. It's one of those coins that are gonna break out the first, I think, you know, so that's what we're looking for right now. If it doesn't go down here, of course. But it looks like, you know, might get some kind of support and bounce pretty soon, pretty soon. Looks nice. Dogelon, please. Yeah, why is everybody talking about Dogelon? There is no Dogelon theater. Yeah, it's Q coin. These S coins, man. Look at this, man. Look at this. Done. 2 days in a row. 63%. 56% done. What you gonna do with this, man? You think this is gonna do another 170%? Maybe it does. Maybe it does. I don't know. I once heard that VeChain can be somewhat indicative of market BTC. Well, I heard, you know, that Ethereum can be indicative of, you know, some kind of leading indicator for the Bitcoin, but, you know, no more 9M streams. No, for Zeus, no, unfortunately, no, unfortunately. 9M streams are done, you know. I'm doing Patreon videos every single day, so, you know, I need time, you know, to check out the coins and stuff like that. I'll tell you when Dent will moon after 4%. I like you too much and I don't want you to be mad. I will tell you when Dent will moon after 4%. I like you too much and I don't want you to be mad. Dude, what? I didn't get that one. I didn't get that, but 4%. Let's see here on Dent, 4%. %4 is nothing, man. I'm looking like... I don't know where you get your numbers from, man, but, you know. Is Shiba worth a look? Not really, no. See a pullback. Where is Shiba? La Shiba minus 3.1. It's pulling back a little bit. Oh! I'll tell you when Dent will moon after 4%. I like too much and I want to be... Oh, okay, I get it, I get it. It didn't... yeah. But it's okay, okay. So, yeah, if it's less than 4%, you know, don't... it means more than 4%. Yeah, okay, okay, I get it, I get it, I get it. Sometimes I don't catch stuff. VeChain ETH pair, no thanks. VeChain ETH, why would you be looking at VeChain ETH pair? What is this indicative of? Literally nothing. I don't know what I'm looking at, man. Ron, 250 bucks. TLI is very picky when it comes to pumps. I'm not picky when it comes to pumps, but you know, I would like something like 62% pumps, you know. I like those pumps. 250 bucks, there's like 500 Norwegian crowns, man. Thanks. Appreciate the money, man. And we need to figure out new goal. I still don't have a new goal for the super chats. We got the iPhone, so you know. Maybe iPhone 20. The next goal should be iPhone 20. But you know, by that time, you know, it's gonna be that expensive. Should we sell Cardano? I sold my Cardano, but I sold with 1.5% loss because, you know, I thought, you know, there are other options. You just didn't do what I thought what you're gonna do. But no, Cardano, you know, for people that are holding Cardano, it's nothing. But, you know, I bought like, you know, hodled it for 3 days, you know, and then dropped it, you know, because it didn't do what I thought it was gonna do, so. Schreiber a new house. It's gonna, you know, I think we like this house, so you're gonna stick around, you know. So, new AirPods are nice. Salem 499, the new AirPods are nice. Yeah, but she doesn't like the AirPods, man. But, you know, we'll figure it out, and 499 won't go to waste, man. Appreciate it. Let's FOMO into VeChain. Next time is to buy an NFT for your wife. Yeah, but there, you know, a lot of NFTs are cheap, so, you know, that's gonna be pretty quick. 63.8 1 hourly, yeah, it's doing, you know, what I thought on 1 hourly is gonna do. It's gonna go a little bit down. Understandable, understandable. One other is one other. Yeah. Next time, but chain doesn't seem to move. Might need to go full bearer for it to explode. Chainlink was one of the best performing coins versus Bitcoin during entire 2017-18-19 bear market. It was just stunning, and everybody was talking about how it's gonna explode and it's gonna look good, and suddenly the bull market came and Chainlink kinda died. I don't know why, but it did not perform at all. What's your thought about AXS? Not much, it's pumping all the time. I don't know when it's gonna stop. It looks like it stopped for 3-4 weeks now. It's just going kind of sideways. It's just going kind of sideways. We're gonna see if it drops down here, then gets picked on the 50 or not. Apple Watch, woman like, yeah, but she doesn't go with watches and stuff like that. So no Apple Watch, no AirPods. I bought something else than AirPods, but she stopped using those. Is XRP dead? It's not dead, but you know, BitBoy had this, you know, bearish video. Now he, you know, when I say something bearish on my channel, it doesn't affect the price. But when this guy says something bearish on his channel, it does affect the price. And he had this very short video. Did he remove the video? I think it's this video. No, here is it. 216k views. You write XRP in the title. You write XRP in the title, you get 216k views. Terrible XRP news. And if you go here, where is it? Where is it? XRP lawsuit, SEC seeks extension of rebuttal report discovery deadline. So he says, you know, it's terrible XRP news because, you know, they wanted to extend it to January or something like that, and people are saying that, you know, everybody, you know, XRP is gonna miss the bull run and stuff like that. So glad that you're always here discussing all these coins and the whole market, seriously. Well, what else am I gonna do? It's my new job, you know. I'm trying to, you know, switch one job with another job that's, you know, sitting in front of the camera and talking about stuff. So let's see if that works out. BitBoy should not say bearish things then. He says the news, and if news are bearish, they are bearish. He's just saying, hey, news, don't mention anything bad, just talk about good stuff. We know there is bad things going around the world, but don't say the bad things, just say the good things. It doesn't work that way, you know. Crypto fanboy, how you doing, man? TA, Michael Altcoin is finally back in the chat. Join the club, guys. youtube.com/the-late-adopter/join. You join the members group. You will all see that this lawsuit will not affect XRP when the pump starts. Then everybody will say nothing can stop XRP. Bitboy just wanted cheap XRP. Yeah, that might be it. See, Kevman knows. Kevman understands the game. Yo, man, you're trying. How you doing, man? Yeah, I think Bitcoin kind of took a chill pill, but right now it's going into the reverse. Let's see here if it can recover. Let's see check the 5-minute chart. You guys thinking it can come from the 50 moving average on the 5-minute chart? Can we recover from the 50 moving average on the 5-minute chart up here, get above this level up here, and then bounce, and then go all the way up to here? Do you think we can do that? Do you think let's see the 1-minute chart up here. Oh, so close, but you know, so close, but no candy. ETA 2021 10:20 6 a.m. unless Musk or Sailor goes long first. You mean the full moon? Beat is overbought. When correction? There is no correction, man. How big, Boyan? How big correction do you want? Like, this is a correction, right? This is a correction. This is a 1.13% correction. How big correction do you want? Time to open the champagne. Time to open champagne was a 60k. Close but not cigar. Yeah, close but not cigar. The Cardano weekly looks like a long accumulation period before the next leg up. Long accumulation period before the next... Yeah, it does. Have you seen XRP TA? XRP XRP is trying. XRP is trying. And if you gotta zoom pretty tight in, XRP gotta get above this 1.08. I think XRP gotta get a 1.08 up here. A lot of numbers up here. Let's remove the wicks up here because we zoomed in. So this is the 20. This is so much zoomed in that I cannot even draw. They need to make this drawing a lot easier, you know. Nah. Okay, there is a 20 moving average. Yeah, we are too zoomed in, but you see this 50 moving average, this 50 moving average, and this is 20 moving average. We closed below the 50, but we also opened below both of them down here. So XRP, you know, gotta get it back above 1.08. I think even further up here, maybe 0.9 or something like that up here. I think it needs to go 0.92 or something like that. If it does that today, it's gonna be fine, but if not, you know, we might see some lower numbers on XRP, I think. Now that was very, very zoomed in, but you know, whatever. Biologic X. I'm going to smoke a cigar. If late adopter is gone, thanks for the women and the community. I had a good laugh. Happy rich New Year's, Merry Christmas. That's gonna be a long cigar if you're gonna be smoking until Christmas, man. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for stopping by. Maybe I don't understand XRP enough. Where do you think BTC blow off top price will be? Yeah, let's try to figure that out, guys. Let's try to figure out. You know, somebody has somebody's looking at somebody's looking at Fibonacci's. We're gonna look at Fibonacci's. Where is the top? Let's try to figure out the top. What we do know is that top is coming on the 4th of December, guy. Okay, this is the top, so we don't have actually that long time to go, right? We don't have that long to go, but this is should go parabolic, something like. Right, it should go parabolic at one point, right? Let's try this up here. Let's try this up here. Well, this doesn't give us. It gives us only the like first stop up here. Let's try. Okay, so let's try the first stop. Let's just use entire top, because this is the fastest a price can go up. The absolutely fastest. 230,000, right? So if you right now start going parabolic up here, right? I mean, we can hit, like, this is the absolutely fastest way that we can climb towards the upside, right? Because this is the fastest way, and this is the fastest way price can climb up. So we're looking at some kind of 250k or something like that, maybe even more. Like, it depends on how long it takes time to get it. But yeah, we're looking at some kind of decent numbers up here. 222, but this was already going fast. So I don't know. And maybe around 230,000. Let's say 230,000 just by looking at that's 230,000. Now let's see some kind of extensions. I don't like using well, this 2.6 is actually at around 222. So 2.6, but also this 1.68 at 1.1. Now all of this, the reason I don't like Fibonacci extension, you get too many lines, man, too many lines, which are important lines, man, between 618 and where's the golden pocket? I don't remember where golden pocket is, man. But yeah, this is 175. This is 100,000. So 127 is exactly at 80k, and then you got this one at 100k, and this one is at 220k. So maybe 220k because it's high, 230 is high, no? 214 top. I mean, we are considering our options. So this is pretty legit. This is 80k, and even 100k. I don't know, 17 to 20s, I don't know. I like these 615 numbers. I like this. Where is it? But there is also this 382 that I like. Let's say 382. Should be down here, right? 382. That's at 86,000. So we got these numbers, right? We got these numbers. 78k, 86k, 100k, and this 230k because 2.6 on Fibonacci. So yeah, Fibonacci extension, if you look at it like that, right now we are looking at these numbers up here. Now those are Fibonacci. Now we can also use something else. We can use maybe trend lines, right? Because trend lines are nice. We can use trend lines. Now how are we gonna draw the trend lines? This is a ballpark area right now. Oh, we are hitting the top already, man. We're done. How is this actually supposed to work? Something like this up here, right? And then you can see here, this bottom shows us this top, right? So the next bottom should show us the next stop, but it's not. But maybe because we are not doing it nicely enough, right? Maybe somewhere down here, right? It's ballpark again, and then we got is this use some kind of top. So you use this top up here, It is around 160k or something like that. If you moved a little bit up here, maybe it's nice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this top up here because you know it's pivot point, you know, so let's use pivot point. I'm gonna use this bottom down here, and then it corresponds nicely 200 something like that, because you see some kind of resistance line, right? You know, maybe we should use down here. There we go. Yeah, that's it. That's the top, guys. That's the top. So we got a very nice trend line going up here, you know, up here, over here, drops over here, you know, resistance. Didn't hit it here, going sideways up, because if we hit here, we only get 120,000. So only way to hit it is go wait, and right now looking at some kind of 230, 240k on the trend line. Now I don't think we're gonna hit this one up here right now. These numbers are a little bit high for the, you know, for right now. Maybe at one point later, till I'm breaking down all the big macro stuff. So yeah, so it's a nice trend line, you know. I saw this one before, you know, and I was thinking up here at 100, between 80 and 100,000, right? But I didn't see this move up here. So I was thinking like something like this, 120,000 and then down again. But right now, you know, we are extending, you know, to the end of the 2020. I was thinking like this is just gonna go right up here right now. That's why I was thinking between 80 and 120,000, because this line was also getting up right in some kind of ballpark area, right? It was 120 up here, but I was told like around 80,000 is done, right? But it only hit 60k, so I was like, what? But this seems legit, you know. It goes up, continues up here, breaks this level up here, and just, you know, smooths all the way up to some 240k. Depends on when it gets hits, you know. But right now, you know, this is a moon phase. So how much is that right now? So you can see here that right now that's 3.6k, 3.6x on your money right now in Bitcoin. Are you gonna get rich with 3.6k, guys? I don't think so. What I think, you know, life-changing money or wife-changing money is, that's altcoins, man. That's altcoins. I'm trading my BTC to altcoins at 80k. That might sound like a plan. That might sound like a plan. So, you know, we got extensions, we got the trend lines. There are other trend lines you can use, though. There are other trend lines you can use. You can see up here. This one actually goes only up to some kind of 80,000. So I think the least we can expect right now, the least we can expect is 80,000. But I think, you know, when start going up here between 80,000, you can see everything corresponds to 80,000. This is the first resistance. I don't know if you're gonna hit the first resistance, it just get rejected down here. But 80,000 is the least we can go to, like 80,000. That's we are saying 80,000 up here. 80,000, and then if you start breaking that on the upside, then I'm looking at these, you know, 260, 250k. But, you know, 80,000 is more or less given, I think. I think 80,000 is more or less given. Till first we gotta ride and pump the BTC, alts come later. You can ride 2 waves. That's one way of doing it, yeah. You can ride a lot of waves. But there is also other ways to look at this chart, right? Because it's daily chart. Top. See here, this might also be indication of some kind of bottom. So this pivot point is actually very important. So all of these pivot points are important. So you got a couple of pivot points on this chart up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pivot points. Big pivot points, right? So we're gonna use this on a monthly so you can see it better. Let's go back to the monthly chart and see if you can actually, you know, because it's easier to put the lines on the monthly chart than it's on the daily and stuff like that, right? How much is this one? How much is this one? Like, yeah, that's the next target up here, like 3 million or something like that. We're not there yet. This is the first one. You remember this one, right? Remember this one. We are going down here, right? And once we start breaking, that's it, man. That's it. Going straight up. Straight up to the, you know, straight up to heaven. Let's see down here. Let's go back to chill step, because it's chill. Also just getting ready to go up slowly or slightly. What's going on? Bitcoin season is going on, man. Why is your BTC stuck at 62k? Because this BTC chart is lagging 1 day behind. So yesterday it was a 62, so today is a 62. But it's, you know, full chart of Bitcoin, so we're using that. Maybe these two tops as well, you know. I mean, if you use the tops on tops, you know, you get this very nice line, man. You get this very nice top. Confluence up here at around 200, 300k, man. And if you use the red wicks, because I like red wicks, I don't know why, then it's around 220k. Okay, so this is a very important level of resistance, and this. So I think like this, I think like this, I think like this, I think like this, guys. I think like this. Now that we have some, you know, some numbers, some trend lines, you know, some stuff, I think if we go up above 100k, I think we are going to 220k. I think that the first target should be around 80k. Where is 80k? Up here. I think 80k is more or less given, but I think if we go above the 100k up here, if we can manage to pump above, you know, because right now we're definitely gonna up, but if we can pump above this resistance up here, I think we can go all, if we go up, I think we can go all the way up here. I think we can go all the way up to 220 or something like that. I think this is possible. I think that's in the realm of possibility for Bitcoin if we start going towards the upside, right? But 80k is given, 100k is hard, but if you do break that, I think, you know, parabolic move to the 230 is not to be overstated. It's not to be overlooked. Why doesn't this work, man? I just how much is this candle? How much is this candle? It's a 40% candle, 36% candle. How big is 47% candle? Let's see these candles up here. 50% candle, 50% candle. These three last candles are 50%. This went 73% before the pump down. How much did it pump? What's that? 59, 56%, 76%. These two last candles did 76%. This actually did a lot more. 98%. Wow, almost 100% in a month. Damn, that's a lot. So if Bitcoin does 100% in a month from the 100k, that's like up there. So we can indeed go parabolic. Right now, this month is gonna end somewhere around 50%, right? And the next month we go start from here and do the 50% up again. That's at 100k. And then the last month we pump 100% towards the upside, maybe 120%. Of course we're gonna have a big pullback, but you know, we can pump. We can pump, because if you look at these three candles, this one pumped 48%, and the next one went 76%, and the last one went 98%. Okay, so maybe the second one, let's see if this pumps right now, because we still got like 10 days left to go. So let's say we pump something like 70k by the end of the next 10 days, give or take. 70k, let's say it's too much, maybe 60k. Let's say 60k. You know what, let's say 59, it's nice. 59, and then, you know, next week we pump more than 50. You gotta be around 70%, something like that. 74%. That's nice. 70%. You have 120k, also very important level. 120k, and then on the last bar, we do a 100% move. 94 like previously. 233, guys. There we go. 233. 200, like around 230. That's the target, guys. This last part, this explosive, this euphoria. Are you still bearish? Do you remember me? Shahid Khan. Sorry, I don't remember you, man. But no, I'm not bearish. I'm bullish as you know what. I'm bullish as you know what. I'm the most bullish guy in crypto space right now. People are calling for some kind of dumps. I'm saying no, there is no dumps coming. That is going up. We bulls now. We're going to the moon. The 5-minute chart managed to get some kind of pump up here. Above the 20 moving average and then dump down. That's not good. Let's see 1-minute chart. Did 1-minute chart get above the 50? Yeah, it went down here at 50 and right now down. But still holding this 200 moving average 1-minute chart, which is nice. I mean, it's 1-minute chart, so we can expect it from it, right? But maybe I'll see some kind of movement. We gotta get above this level. If you get back above this level again, I'm pretty confident this is gonna hit the all-time high up here. What bearish lord? He's clearly saying we're going to the moon. Well, everybody's pretty bullish. Yeah, everybody's pretty bullish. I used to ask this question every bearish live stream you used to do when BTC went to 20. Well, I was bearish before. Don't like, guys, don't think that I'm bearish and I'm thinking it's gonna go to zero. I'm bullish and thinking this is never gonna fall down. Eventually, you know, I have to go for. Right now I'm bullish, but you know, when we get to a certain point, I'm gonna be bearish. You have to understand that, right? The price moves up and down. I'm not bullish all the time when price goes down like this, right? And I'm not bearish when price goes like this, right? So I'm not bearish when price is going towards the upside, and I'm not bullish when price is going towards the downside. Now, unfortunately, price was going towards downside. I was bearish, but we were saying 50 moving average. We are calling the 28k. We are saying it has to go up here to 45k. Now the 45k got broken and we got up. You know, I was still saying we, you know, some kind of pullback. But after the pullback, after move towards the upside, like you cannot be bearish anymore. So I changed. I went from the being over here. I became super bearish. So I went from being bearish in this part over here to being bullish from over here to the upside, right? This was expected, this was normal, but right now up here, like, I cannot be any more bearish, right? We had a pullback, that's nice, but from over here we started going up. Like, I'm bullish. I'm bullish when there is need to be bullish. I'm bearish when there is need to be bearish. I'm not bearish when things are going, you know, towards the upside. I'm not bullish when things are going towards downside. Lol, because of a stream late adopter, I did 28k when he said he thinks there will be a bottom. I doubled my position somewhere else. Nice. What do you think about financial markets? Well, actually, you know, Dow Jones did very nice, man. Dow Jones did very nice. Let's say here, crypto. Dow Jones is right now going towards the upside, guys. Dow Jones is gonna explode. What's day? Tuesday. I haven't looked at it for the last 2 days. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. This is the weekly chart. You remember we are looking, you know, to dump down here, but we are just not dumping. We went down here below the 10 and 20, then stayed around and said this has to go down. It went down, but we pulled back up. Bullishness, right? But then we went down and we closed here and I thought, well, this is rejection, we gotta go down. And we did go a little bit down, but then we pulled back again. But then I said again, guys, this is again, you know, us getting rejected by the resistance, probabilities to go down. Then we went down again, and then we're like, no, we went above the 10 and 20 moving. Now you cannot be bearish, guys. You cannot be bearish. This is gonna explode above this level up here, and this is gonna go parabolic as well. This is gonna go, I think this is also gonna go parabolic. So right now, I think, you know, Dow Jones, for whatever reason, is gonna go parabolic pretty soon. Once it breaks all-time high here at, it's not a week, you know, we're not looking at weeks. 30, what's that, 35 something, right? So it's getting pretty close. Maybe this week or next week it might start going parabolic towards the upside, because a lot of people became super bearish down here. So I think it might, you know, right now it does look very nice. It does look very nice. It had this nice pullback down here, climb back above it. Right now it's gonna go up here and continue to upside. So both Dow Jones and Bitcoin is going towards the upside at the same time. Let's see DXY. Let's see on the weekly time frame. You can see if for past 2 weeks, yeah, pulling back, but I still think this is gonna go towards the upside. I still think this dollar index is gonna go towards the upside, even with this pullback. So how long can this pullback be? I mean, the pullback might be actually, you know, right now be quite significant, all the way maybe to the 4th December, maybe down here. Maybe I mean, pullback can be significant, right? The pullback can be significant, right? And maybe because of this pullback, right now we are having a pullback on dollar index, we are having pump on Dow Jones index stocks, and we have pump on the dollar. So maybe, I mean, this is the last 3 moves. After this, I think it's gonna go like this up here. I think this is gonna go like this up here. I think, because this hit certain levels of resistance right now up here. Certain level of resistance got up there, and right now it's pulling towards downside. Now this 20 moving average does look like it might support, but if it fails the 20 moving average, it's gonna get caught with the 50 moving average. So, you know, that gives you around, yeah, that gives you around right now. This is October, so it gives you, this is October, November, yeah, around month 2 times, you know, on the downside, and then towards the upside. So this downside must be what's giving us this last pump of Bitcoin and Dow Jones. Whatever happened to China Evergrande? I don't know. I think they bailed out, something like that. They got very nice symbol, 33333. Super nice symbol. This happened, man. This happened. Nothing happened. They found some kind of bottom, I think. And they're actually climbing, getting up to this 20 moving average. So if you see Evergrande doing the, you know, breaking the 20 moving average up here, that's something that hasn't happened since he started dropping down here. So he tried, you know, but ever since, you know, this hasn't happened. This has not happened. The 20 moving average has not been broken on the daily. So if for some reason managed to break here and start going to upside, it might be actually good. Let's see the 4 hourly how this looks. 1 hourly. Well, you can see on the 1 hourly that this hasn't lasted for a long time. So what we are looking for is this trend up here. Now, do you know what this reminds me of? Do you know what this reminds me of? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what this reminds me of. I think we're gonna go all the way down here, but on daily. Isn't this the same chart? Let's split these 2 charts in 2. I mean, they're on different time scale, but they're the same. See? Same, but not the same. So if it starts going down here on the 1 hourly, right, and breaks this down here, it does not look good, right? So, you know, you don't wanna Evergrande that, you know, break this on downside, but it does look the same. They're both dying, so, you know. Retest at least 92 flat. Wait for 31st October for Dow Halloween pump. Coming November, very bullish for market. I hope you're right, AJ Crypto. I hope you're right. I think Alonso cannot understand the volatility and the potential of crypto. Long-term anticipation, he's good though. What about Alessio? Alessio likes to use a lot of Elliott waves, and he started at using, you know, before Alessio Rostani never used Elliott waves, and then suddenly, recently started using Elliott waves, and I see a bigger proponent of Elliott waves, but I'm trying to, you know, adjust, I'm trying to, you know, incorporate Elliott waves, but I just don't see it. DJI down 5.56, but it has picked up nicely. Euro pumping versus dollar, but I don't think for long. Friday 22nd, Evergrande's default final day. 22nd, yeah. Wait. Why this chart only goes to 4th of October? Why does this chart go to 4th of October? Where is the rest of the chart, guys? Guys, where is the rest of the chart? Where is the rest of the chart, guys? Where is the rest of the chart? Oh, here is the rest of the chart. I don't know what this is, but you know, it's good. Okay, it's not the best one, but you know, it's doable. It's doable. So it got rejected by this daily, weekly. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna dump. If you say it's 22nd up here, you know, it's it looks bad, man. It looks bad. Right now, try it. If it doesn't do some move towards the upside, it's gonna break down. So you know, it's either gonna break down on the moves, on the news or something like that. Maybe it's just waiting for the news right now. A cross down here though. There is a cross on the weekly time frame. Maybe it hit some kind of button. Maybe it's gonna get bailed out or something like that, right? And this is the button right now, and it goes towards the upside. I don't know why we are doing this. Luna is mooning. Is it above 4%, man? Is it above 5%? Where is Luna? 5.74%. It went up 1% since last time somebody said it's mooning. Yeah, it's making recovery down here at the bottom. So Luna is one of these coins that we on the Patreon said it's sitting at the bottom right now. It needs to do something, right? And right now it's doing something. So you know, it's maybe getting out of there. Let's see these other mooning coins. Ren also looking to get this bounce in. Low 5%. I'm telling you, people are, you know, as soon as you guys got like 3-4%, people are like, it's mooning. I don't know. So where are we stuck with Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin, let's see here, 5-minute chart. Is it recovering? Oh, it looks like it's gonna go. Maybe it's gonna go. See this follow? Yeah, it's gonna go, guys. It's gonna go. I think it's getting ready. 5-minute chart is getting ready for the pumps. 5-minute chart is getting ready for pumps, guys. Where are the pumps? Where am I gonna put pumps? Up here. Are you ready for the pumps, guys? Are you ready for the pumps? This is 1-minute chart. Are you ready for the pumps? Pump music. Could you check potential big daily, weekly RSI trend line resistance on BTC? Just curious. Daily, weekly resistance. I mean, it's terrible. It's like something like this right now. So we are hitting the resistance right now, technically speaking. Right. But you know what? Resistances are there to be broken. So you know, people are, yeah, hitting resistance, gonna get, you know, oh reject. Like how many times are gonna get rejected? Like, what about this? Oh reject. Let's try. And we're up. But yeah, 76. Okay, let's go back to the 1-minute chart because, you know, exciting. Look at this nice trend line. Who's got nicest trend line, man? A 1-minute chart trend line. Beautiful. Yo, Tila, what do you think about Meta Hero dump? Meta Hero dump? No. Oh man, that was a big dump. Oh, that was a terrible dump, man. Terrible dump. How much did this actually pump? 71% up and then down. Everybody's getting wrecked right now, man. Doesn't matter. 34% down. Well, it's still got this support on the 50 moving average. Maybe it's gonna go all the way down. I don't know what's doing, man. I don't know what's doing. But it is a big dump, man. But you know, you got support line out here, 50 moving average down here at you know, back at square one. I don't know, man. I don't know what's doing. This looks terrible. How's Safe Moon doing, by the way? What am I doing? What am I doing? People must be asking, hey man, what you looking at Safe Moon for? Because I bought down here, man. I bought down here. So when price goes something like this up here, I can tell everybody that I bought the bottom, okay? I bought down here, so I can tell everybody I bought the bottom, okay? That's why I look at Safe Moon. I'm waiting for a price to pump, so I can tell everybody, guys, I bought the bottom, I bought the bottom. But it's a throwaway money. Safe Moon is a Ponzi and all that shebang, right? In my opinion, the super cycle altcoin season is going to be 3rd week of November, folks. I don't know, man. I don't know. Her name is Selena. It's not Selena. That's Selena Gomez. Her name is Selena. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? We are sacrificing the likes for Selena. So if you haven't sacrificed the like yet, it's time to sacrifice a like. Safe Moon is the worst coin in existence. Of course it's the worst coin in existence, man. That's why we bought it. Oh, there we go, there we go. Oh, that was so close. Did you see that, guys? Did you see that 1 minute chart? Did you see the move? So close, man, so close. Once we start pumping, man, this is the target. Where is the target? Up here is the target, man. This is 1 minute chart. All we have to do is go, man, up here. And once we do that, she has nice milk bags. Don't talk about her milk, man. Respect Selena. It's not Selena, it's less Selena. And last name, Gita Shatani. We're going to make a baby. Moons in 9 months. I don't know, man. I think Zeus, soldiers are a lot faster than yours. I will sacrifice 1 like for Selena. Thank you. All the sacrificed likes are going to good purpose. Selena is the moon goddess. For guys that don't know, Selena is the moon. There we go. The breakout. Breakout, guys. We got a breakout. We got the breakout. Now let's see if the breakout is gonna hold. See, as soon as you start, sacrificing the likes for Selena, it goes down. We're gonna see. Still 45 seconds left. We gotta hit it 64, 840. We gotta do it, guys. This is gonna beat. 36 seconds left. It tried to go, it got rejected, a little bit down, still holding above 10 moving average, climbing back above the resistance, nice. BTC Munium Modasaka. Yeah, BTC Munium Modasaka. A few months ago I saw an interview with Sunny Lu, VeChain, our founder, said he would like to meet with Tesla Elon Musk. Everybody would like to meet with Tesla. Do you think, oh, that's a dumpage. That's a 1 minute dumpage. That's a dumpage, but it's, you know, it's just waiting, just waiting. So this basically means we got time. BDC 1 minute chart dump. Yeah, but no, we are still holding this 200 moving average. You see this 100 moving average, really important average. See here, once we dumped resistance, break it down, and then we climb above it. Support, support, support. This blue line, very important line. Let's look at the blue line, because these small moving averages not that important. 50 important, 200 important, all of these three important. 10-20 on the 1 minute line. TLI, you want Auger for the 5-second chart. What's Auger? BTC is playing Selena Pimp. By the way, how much does you know, the nah, I'm not gonna pay extra just to get to 5 minutes second chart. At some point, can you please do comp? It's wrecked. You never answer me. If you join TF Fans Club, I will answer you every single time. Atish, you never answer me. What did he say, by the way? You didn't say anything, man. Atish said nothing. Atish said nothing. I'd be so grateful there is no T on it. There is no T on ZIL. On ZIL? Do you know how you know, bullish ZIL is, or how much it pumps every time it pumps, and there is no T on it? Of course there is T on ZIL. What are you talking about? There is no T on ZIL. Zilica. 21 hours ago. 3 hours ago. Zilica Observer. 2 hours ago. There is a lot of, man. Don't lie, man. Don't lie. John Doe 50 EGP. I don't know what that is, but thanks for the bucks. I love it. 30 like and 2 please T on AV. But we are watching 1 minute chart, man. Okay, very quick, very quick. You never answer me. Ah, now everybody's starting with the you never answer me stuff. It's not property like yours. Ah, you're flattering me. You're flattering me. Okay, you're gonna get Zilica, man. You're flattering me. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Okay, let's do Zilica. ZIL USDT. Oh, man. Oh, lots of love. Lots of love. Pumping. No, don't pump yet. Don't pump yet. I'm doing no, don't pump yet. Don't pump yet. Don't pump yet. Let's see. No, it's not. Beauty. Salam, don't scare me like that, man. Don't scare me like that. If it's pumping, you know, it has to be decent pump. We are close. They're not yet. Close, very close, very close. I think it's gonna go now. It's gonna. Is it wanna go? Is it wanna go? Maybe it's wanna go, man. Do we have time for Zilica? Do we have time for Zilica? I don't know if we have time for Zilica. Where is ZIL? Where is ZIL? Where is ZIL? Okay, let's do fast ZIL. Let's do ZIL fast. Let's keep it daily. See here. It's in triangle. It looks bad because it's below. It looks bad because it's below all of the moving averages. This is the 50 moving average you gotta get above, you know. It's below all of the moving averages right now. It looks bad, but there is support line right below it down here. So it's just like, you know, Cardano and everything else. It can hit the support as many times. You don't wanna fall below the support down here, okay? So as long as it's going down, you know, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. It's not bullish like, for example, Delta coin or something like that that's sitting up here. It's sitting down here, it's breaking the moving averages. So I'm looking at it, you know, it's gonna hug the support line down here. So it's gonna take a while before it actually breaks to the upside. Beside that, Zilica is one of those, you know, bullish coins that are pumping like crazy once it starts pumping. Yeah, once it starts pumping, then it's gonna be crazy. But you know, it's not yet there. It's close, but not yet there. But eventually it will. Right now it's below moving averages, so I'm thinking it's weak. I'm thinking it's weak. It's weak. A little bit weak. A little bit weak. Did it break? Did it break? Oh, we are breaking. We're getting above. But let's see the volume. Let's see the volume. I mean, there is kind of no volume up here. Let's go to 5 minute chart and draw the line. Let's go to 5 minute chart and draw the line. We actually already broke it if you look at the 5 minute chart. Pick them down here. Let's see the resistance line up here. I mean, we are breaking everything. No, not this one. It's this one up here. Oh, look at this, man. Atish Kanas, 449 bucks. Ah, thanks, man. Appreciate money. And AV. Do we have time for AV? Yeah, I don't have it on my chart anymore. That's a long time since I have a chart. See weekly up here. See, a long time since I did, you know, AV pumped like crazy up here until, you know, February, and then, you know, just did nothing. This engulfing, you should not be using engulfing. This is something like this up here. But, yeah, it looks like it's something like this up here. Yeah, give or take. I think it's something like this up here. Let's see that. Let's go back to the weekly up here. That's engulfing, so we shouldn't be using that. You know. This looks more like, you know, this one and this one. It's the difference is this looks more symmetrical than this one, right? So I like the symmetrical triangles better. So this looks nice up here. But you know, this is December 21. Yeah, maybe it's gonna break out eventually, like everything else. Maybe. Let's see on the daily up here. It looks kind of weak because it's just, you know, hugging down the support down here. You know, it's just gonna go sideways. If it breaks on the downside down here, that's bad. You know, down here between 271 or something like that. But it looks weak. It looks weak. It's been going for sideways for so long time. It just looks weak. Daily is not yet cross above it, you know, losing momentum a little bit. The only good part up here, you know, beside the RSI being nice, is that momentum is decreasing towards the upside, you know, so the momentum is decreasing. That's a good thing, that's a good thing. Let's see the volume up here as well. I think we need to do this daily. Monthly. Well, technically, you know, it pumped and then it kind of was sideways with volume decreasing, so that's fine. But a monthly chart up here, no, it's just going sideways, and right now it's a bottom of this thing. Doesn't matter. Don't let it fall out. Don't let it fall out. You got something like down here below. What's that? 259 right now, and that's not much down movement right now. That's something like 14% on the downside. You know, we wouldn't like to go down here, right? But looks weak. There are better coins right now, definitely. Bedtime, no, what do you mean bedtime, no, what do you mean? Oh man, so close, but no cigar, right? But why isn't this 1 minute pumping? Why is this not 1 minute? You know, if 1 minute's not pumping, and something is wrong with this. Oh man, is this some kind of rising wedge up here? Oh, this is kind of rising wedge that's gonna mess us up. Right now, it's staying too long for at 100. It's staying too long at 100. 5 minutes. Let's see, 5 minutes. You know, extend, smack, hug, dump. Signature. I don't know, I just clicked on stuff and stuff opened up. Agri trade BQ. Yeah, but I cannot draw on this, man. I cannot draw on this. It's a nice link, man. You can see the second charts. 10 seconds, 1 second. You can actually see the second charts. Yeah, it's nice link, but you know, I cannot draw on the chart, so it doesn't get that exciting. Thanks for the link though, I'll do check it out. Paul, ladies and gentlemen. Does Helena have an OnlyFans? Yeah, wouldn't you like to know? How many likes do we have right now? 130 likes, man. That's fine. 160 people, 130 likes, that's fine. Don't buy OnlyFans. Yeah, don't do OnlyFans, guys. Don't do OnlyFans. Sunrise looks interesting. Stable coins. I don't think we're gonna see it, guys. I don't think we're gonna see it. Let's clear up everything here. I mean, on the 5-minute chart, still holding this close, but no cigar. Are we gonna see it? I'm gonna see it. I only use it 2-3 minutes a day, it's boring enough. TLI, you sound a lot better, hope you're feeling well. I sound better, but my throat is killing me, man. It's not actually killing me, but you know, it's still not good enough. I don't think it's gonna push above all-time high. I think we just want to push to the all-time high and then pull back. Luna to 754 by 2:34 a.m. 2nd February 2022. It's gonna be fine. Did you get divorced? No, I did not. What about what? I never asked Magnus, do you have NFTs? No, I don't have NFTs. I'm not into NFT craze, guys. I'm not into NFT craze. Unfortunately, you know, I don't have time to, you know, be looking at, you know, invisible rocks and, you know, invisible coins and stuff like that. So this is taking time, guys, but you know, we gotta end it with a bang. We gotta end it with a bang, right? We gotta end it. Can somebody, by the way, guys, can somebody change this? I'm not very good at, you know, video editing, but there is this very nice, and somebody has to write instead of 60, 64, and it's gonna explode. So if you're good at with video editing, if you do what I'm gonna show you right now. If you change this from 60 to 64, this is gonna explode on internet, right? So we need 64 number there, okay? 64.8. Yeah, 64.8k. That would be nice. Or maybe even chart like goes like up, and I hit like 64k. Oh! So if you do that, you post on Twitter, it's gonna, you know, spread like wildfire. But you gotta do it before it hits 64.8k, so people can share it, you know. Tom Brady has cryptocurrency commercial on Sundays. Knock Knock can do it. Yeah, knock knock. That's your job. You do it. You spread it on Twitter. You know, you're gonna get like 100,000 followers. You know, likes. You know this business. Luna is far more superior to Link. Link is sick. Check its price. I don't know the difference between Luna and Link, but maybe you know. Do know. Anyways, guys, I don't know if you're gonna see it today. It's kind of getting a little bit late. Been doing this stream for 2 hours now. I gotta get to bed and do some other stuff. Thanks for stopping by. But before we go, of course, we gotta leave to the bank. Of course, we gotta listen to the Dodge Daddy, because you know 64 is 64. I don't think I hope it won't dump the price. So you know. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, let's try again. I actually have it here. There we go. Then I can do this stuff like this up here and got notifications. Legendary. Followed. So you gotta sell in also here.
Random rewards are so sweet. Honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology. I'm in love with a
I've been playing Dodge Daddy for a long time now. I don't think Bits will dump. It's done.
Makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. I'm not weak or lazy.
It's already tomorrow.
I'm like electricity.
Well, not if you look at the candles.
Always lights the way for me. I'm in love with a meme.
Candle closes in 1 hour and 30 minutes. That's tomorrow. We are on crypto time.
Go dash, go dash,
Luna up 6%.
yeah. Go dash, go dash, Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX. This techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control.
Atom 10%. Damn.
About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire.
How about 5% up?
Go dash, Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash,
Oh.
go dash, Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dodge. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti. So dollar bills can kiss my go dash, go dash, Doge Daddy, yeah.
Watch your tweet, you're gonna make the meme now. Yeah, do that, and you know, tag me. Then I'm gonna tag, you know, Coinskid, you know, because Coinskid, you know, looks at my tweets, and then Coinskid will tag you in other big guys, and then other big guys gonna tag you, and then you're gonna explode. Did you see Atom pumping? Yeah, I just saw Atom pumping.
Random rewards.
We are watching Atom every single day, guys.
Honey's all that I can see.
Where is it?
Blame nature, why don't you? I make love with.
Okay, that's done. Yeah, I just saw Atom. It did explode, but we got some coins here on small triangles up here. I'm gonna show you guys. But this Atom did explode, but it got only to the. You see the triangle? It did explode from the bottom to the top of the triangle. The same thing as, for example, I think Algo. No, not Algo. It's Hobart just did right now, from the bottom to the top right now. Algo did that. Algo is still at the bottom down here. But all of these coins will eventually, you know, break up and, you know, continue towards the upside and stuff like that. So if you want to know what next coin is to go, because we are watching all of these coins, guys. We are watching all of these coins. Polkadot, NKN, SKL, True, Reef, CKB, you know, did 45. It actually went up like 64%, even more than that. Man, this thing went 76% today. Luna, Tezos, Ren, BNB, XLM, Dent, Win, RLC, KSM, Tron, Dodge, Anchor, Cake, BTT, Sushi, Chili's, Doc, NG coin, etc. Phil, we got a lot of coins, man. I think, wow, I think it's over 100 coins, something like that. So we're looking at all the coins every single day, every single day. I'm up a lot on Kuma and Sunrise. Good for you, man. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. This is it, guys. That's it. I hope you did sacrifice the like for Selena, because you know we're getting in the moon tomorrow. Today is actually the moon time. I don't, but I think it's gonna come out later. But anyways, Kamarov pumping right now. No, don't say that, man. Now I gotta check it. Now I gotta check it, man. I gotta look at it. And you know, if it's like something like 3% or something like that, 4 or 5%, I'm gonna be mad, man. Every time somebody say it's pumping, it's like it goes up like a couple of percent until some resistance and stops. It's not even trending, man. It's not even trending. Okay. Okay. Come rockets. 47%. Nice. Nice. But I did not buy the bottom. Somebody was saying maybe buy Com, because I said I'm gonna buy Safe Moon, because you know Safe Moon pumped, you know, so he said he's gonna pump again. But I did not buy Cam Rocket. I should go and buy Cam Rocket at the top right now. And you know, I asked people like, what other altcoins? No, sorry, what other Ponzi coins are popular? And people said Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Safe Moon, Cam Rocket. There's nothing else. What else is very popular, guys? What else? Because I want to buy, you know, some Ponzi coins that are gonna, you know, I want to buy bottom of the Ponzi coins. Now this already pumped from 3 to, it pumped so much, man. That is time that the bull run is back on. Yeah, the bull run is back on. Cam Rocket is going. Jump on Sunrise. No, I want Ponzi coins. I want coins with the worst names. You know, that's what I'm looking for. It's not Selena. It's a E at the end. It's not Selena Gomez. These ladies are respectable. Elon didn't do much, man. Elon didn't do much, and it's not that popular as well. Elon, Dodge Loan, Mars. Well, actually, it's popular right now. No, it's actually rising, you know. It went from, you know, but right now, you know, I got a Flocky, yeah, the Flocky, but Flocky is also going. Flocky Inu, 6% up. Let me see up here. Wow, Flocky is actually, you know, doing the stuff, man. I don't know what Flocky Inu is, but you know, it's doing stuff. Got released on August, September, you know, down here. So let's see, 6,000. Why it's only 4 numbers all the way going up, you know? This Flocky just got released on 13 October. I don't think it just got released on 13 October, because this is going way back, way back. Flocky is Elon's Shiba Inu dog's name. Oh, okay, Flockinomics, not Flockino. Flockinomics. Don't taste, it's not. You got a Flocky Inu, that's the first one, so you know, that's the, you know, Flockinomics is not it, you know, because you know, nobody's watching that. Minus 27%. Just dying. It's not this one. It's not this one. I don't think it's this one. But this is a lot, you know, this isn't that old, but I think it's Flocky Inu. Flocky Inu, because Shiba Flocky, baby Flocky billionaire. I gotta buy this baby Flocky billionaire. I don't know. Prince Flocky, SpaceX Flocky, SpaceX, maybe it's SpaceX Flocky, man. Oh, would you know? It just goes down. Well, that's the kind of stuff you get with these things. BTC, one last check on BTC, 5-minute chart. Oof, that's nice, this support, man. If it holds this support, man, it's gonna make maybe an hour and then break on the upside. Ooh, that's gonna be so nice. Okay, guys, that's it, guys. What is it? Flock is a repo for a repo, Shiba Doge. Of course it's a repo for a repo. Every Ponzi is a repo for a repo for a repo. That's why we like him, you know. The sunrise is a must-have. If I'm gonna check this, you know, sunrise. The sunrise is sunrise. 0%, 0.02871 all time. This is new thing, right? It just got released. Binance chat source code. It doesn't even have a web page, man. Oh, it has a web page. The sun always rises. By sunrise, hold sunrise, and count on the fact that the sun always rises. Wow, the page is so cringe, man. How are you gonna? You know, I understand. You know, dogs. You know, I understand stuff, but how are you gonna meme this into to the mainstream? How are you gonna say, you know, buy sunrise? Who's gonna buy? Why should I buy sunrise? Like, Puco chart. Bad meme, bad meme. No mimology. You should buy that SpaceX Flocky then. Yeah, it's gonna be SpaceX Flocky or something like that. You know, but right now, if the bull run continues, you know, I gotta figure out what there was a coin called Kim Jong Moon. I don't know what's happening with that, you know, but it was early, it never pumped, so you know, and they had a really nice Kim Jong, what is it called? Kim Jong Moon. And they had really good market data is untracked, okay, but they had really good you know, memes. First the moon, now Mars, public priest. Oh, it's 4 days. I gotta get this. See, I mean, sunrise you cannot you cannot sell sunrise, but you know, Kim Jong Moon you can sell. Look at this, man. You can sell this. You see, you can sell this, right? This is sellable, right? But you know, but you know, sunrise is not sellable. If North Korea makes the coin legal tender, you'll be set. I'm going to Jordan's stream and telling him you sent me. Yeah, do that. But he already knows me. When you buy a Ponzi coin, how much are you willing to spend in dollars? Well, you take your entire portfolio, then you take maybe set aside maybe 5%, and then you take that 5% and buy like 10-20 coins with it, you know. So you're gonna go down like 5%, you're gonna lose, but that's what we call throwaway money. You take 5% of your entire portfolio and you spread that on these shit coins, Ponzi coins, and you know you are literally meant to lose 100% of that. Now if it goes up, nice. But the trick is not to sell, okay? So you don't buy something and sell it when it goes up 2 or 3 times, because the Ponzi coins don't go up just 2 or 3 times. They go like 10, 50, 100 times, right? So you gotta set a goal, like, I'm not selling until it's reached like 50x. And if it goes to 49x and if pulls back, you still don't sell, right? You gotta keep your goal. That's why it's called throwaway money, because you take literal money and you throw it on these shit coins, and then if it goes to your target, you sell. But do not, under any circumstance, sell before your target is hit. Doesn't matter what you figure your target is, that's where it goes. Ask other people, what you think is gonna go? People are gonna say 500x, 1000x, and you say, okay, I just want 20x. And then you let it go. If it never gets there, yeah, BTC is dumping. We had our shot, Yeah, it's going below down here. I mean, it can still pull down. It's not finished yet, so unfortunately, I don't know if you're gonna see today 48.8 up here. I don't think we somewhere there. I don't know if you're gonna see it. Maybe we're gonna see it today before the close. I don't know. What do you think about Cat Curl? Probably some nice coin to buy. I don't know. I may be more ADA if you don't mind. I'm buying more ADA if you don't mind. Butin, do you know, my wife has a friend and she's into crypto, so she is buying Shiba Inu, you know. So she asked me about, you know, hey man, how you do you know, she lost some money by trying to buy Shiba Inu on Coinbase. She doesn't even know how to, you know, buy Shiba Inu on Coinbase, but you know, she bought Shiba Inu when it was, you know, all respect to her, she had faith and she bought Shina Ibu here at 900 down here, right? So I don't know if she bought the first pump or these tops up here, but you know, she bought here, so she's 3x right now up on the money up here, right? So it's all good, right? But you know, I asked, you know, she said, and she's also asking me about Dogecoin and stuff like that, right? So I say to her, you like all these dogs and cats, so you know, next time you hear about some dog and cat, you tell me, you know. And she said, yeah, I understood that, you know, the Bitcoin and these big coins are, that's too late for that, you know, I'm not gonna get rich with that, but these small coins, you know, these dog coins, these are that's gonna make me rich. So maybe she's got something in it, right? Because, you know, Shiba Inu already went 3x. We are watching Dogecoin as well on Patreon every day. We are waiting for the breakout on Dogecoin as well. Will Dogecoin do 3x or something like that? Like Dogecoin, all just to get to the all-time high is 2.7x, like almost 3x. Up here, that's 3x already right now, right? So you know, it's not Bitcoin that's gonna make you rich. It's these, you know, crap coins. Rocket will be world reserve currency by 434. By now, rocket. We'll see that. Julia, did I answer your question, Julia? I don't know. What do you say, Julia? When you buy a Ponzi coin, how much are you willing to spend dollars? Oh yeah. Yeah, so basically, the thing is, it's throwaway money. Always remember, when you buy Ponzi coins, it's a throwaway money, so you don't use the entire target, because they do go a lot. I'm gonna teach you something. There is two things you have to know about Ponzi coins. You have to be first, or you have to be very, very early. So you gotta find some place that there is not a lot of people, but they are talking about the new coins that are getting released. So you have to find somewhere where people are talking about, you know, these coins that are getting released. So it's either be Telegram groups, some kind of, you know, shady Reddit groups, some kind of forums. People are gonna be talking, so you gotta know, you know. And when you get to these Telegram groups, you know, try to get, you know, try to find some coins. Then, you know, go to these Ponzi coins, because if you go to the Telegram groups of these Ponzi coins, people will probably talk about the new stuff that comes out. And don't disregard everything. When you hear something, check it out, look at a web page, see if that's something for you, you know, because a lot of coins are gonna be released and not everything is gonna pump. But you know, you have to also use, you know, your social skills to figure out whether something is memorable or not, right? So when buying coins, it's very important to be very, very early. Very early. That's very, very important. Now, if I show you here the SafeMoon chart, this is SafeMoon, and I bought SafeMoon down here. I'm gonna show you. First of all, I bought SafeMoon here so I can tell people that, you know, I bought it up. But I bought SafeMoon down here. And how could I buy SafeMoon up here? And that's because the first coin that came out, you know, of the Ponzi coins was the Hodge coin. And after that, I understood that Hodge is already finished, you know, because it's been, you know, shielded so much in the mainstream. And I was like, okay, what's the next thing? And then I was looking for, you know, what people are talking about the next, and that was SafeMoon. So I was like, oh, this is just released, let's go. So I wasn't the first. I wasn't all the way down here. Now that's the best guy, but you know, I was pretty early, you know, I also sold here because I didn't, you know, it was so early into this Ponzi stuff that I did not know actually how much this is gonna explode, you know. But this was the second coin, and I sold here and I went up there, but you know, I don't mind. But the lesson I learned when I sold here is that you never sell throwaway money. Okay, so you never sell until you get your target, right? But the trick is being the first, okay? The trick is being the first. The first or very, very early, and only because once it starts pumping and people talking about it, it's too late, because this goes too fast. Like, you gotta be somewhere where people are talking about it, and where you learn about this new stuff, right? Like right now, I'm not chilling this, but this Kim Jong-moon, this is a Ponzi coin, it might go to zero, because last time, this is the second release of this coin. This is the second release of this coin in 4 days. So I'm probably gonna get some throwaway money on this, like 100, 200 bucks or something like that, right? And you know, it might do something, it might not do something, but you know, I bought it the first time, it didn't do anything. I think I got 2x on it or something like that, but that was after Bitcoin, you know, crashed. But right now they're gonna release it, right? So I don't know, you know, these Ponzi coins, you know, it must be throwaway money. You gotta be first, and you know, it's gonna do fine. You know, if it doesn't do fine, it's throwaway money. You lost 5% of your account. Who cares? I'm too old for this job. Other has the system purposely endured the decades. Maybe it does, man. Maybe it does. Real coins, you know, live for a long time. Cardano will live for a long time. Shiba Inu will not live for a long time. Yeah, also don't throw away money to some shady website and stuff like that. Always double check very much, or don't give your password to anything. You know, be smart about it. You know, normal, smart. Don't give anybody money for anything, and you know, because I've lost money. I've been scammed before, guys. I've been scammed. I'm not afraid to say it. I've been scammed before. You know, both on Twitter, both on during some not ICOs, but you know, this Ponzi stuff. You know, and. It's okay, because when you're in this game, you know, there will come times when somebody's smarter than you, and you know, they're gonna, you know, scam you. But the thing is, try not to get scammed for an entire account, you know. Don't let anybody, you know, say, hey, install this. Here's a good advice. You go to some Telegram group, you go to some kind of website, and they say, and this just happened recently to me, right? I said, okay, my friend, you know, she lost her money on Shiba Inu. Can I recover it? So I went to the Telegram for Shiba Inu to ask how the contract works. And suddenly I get this message from this guy saying, hey man, I can help you recover it, you know, the money. And I say, okay, how can you do that? And I say, go to this page, pick which wallet you used, and then after that you can just enter the hash rate, hash transaction number, and it will pop up, and then you click this and click that, and it's gonna come up. You know, so okay. So the first thing you do when you get to that site is you see, you know, all the wallets are listed up, and you click, of course, on your wallet, whatever the wallet is, and the first thing that pops up is, hey, please enter the recovery phase for the wallet. And I'm like, this is the most obvious scam ever, right? And doesn't matter what happens after that. As soon as you enter recovery phase, behind it there is nothing, there's emptiness. Because once you enter recovery phase, all of the stuff that he said, after that you enter the hash and this and that, and you know, it doesn't matter, because it's a blank page after that. 100% I can tell you it's true, because once you enter the recovery phase, your wallet is gone. Do not ever enter recovery phase. Do not ever install anything on your PC from some kind of Telegram, especially if you go to these Ponzi crypto groups. That's how people get hacked. You go to the Ponzi group, you go to the Telegram group of this, you go to this site and say, hey man, click this, hey man, install this. And you install it, and suddenly your wallets are gone, you know. Don't install stuff. I like the Kim Jong-un for the memes. Yeah, I liked for the memes, but I don't know how good they are, because last time they didn't do that well, you know. So maybe they're gonna do this times, you know. So throw away money, it's okay. Not a financial advice, of course. You do what you wanna do, I do what I wanna do. Your money, my money, my money. What's your thought here? But yeah, like common sense. Don't install anything on your PC that other people say they should install. Don't trust anybody that you do not know personally. Even the people that you know personally, they might, you know, F you over, you know. CKB is pumping. Oh, CKB is breaking out. Here's a guys. This CKB is breaking out. Let's see, look at the volume right now. Volume is there. CKB is breaking out. Right now, CKB is breaking out. What do you wanna do? You do what you wanna do. I do what I wanna do. Your money, my money. My money, my money. Okay, money is good. Shiba goes up when Bitcoin goes up. How did you know, man? I'm getting tired. I cannot look anymore. Oh, it's so late, man. Still alive. Nice. I just came back from walking dog. No, we're done, man. You have to rewind and listen about the Hina Inu starts also. Hina Inu. When is Hina Inu starting? Let me try to find a guy buying all Ponzi coins. Chart. What a guy! There was a guy that had this chart where he listed all the Ponzi coins. He was making millions, guys. There was this guy that was buying every single coin that was coming out, right? Every single Ponzi coin, you know, SafeMoon, Hodgecoin, Shiba Inu, Shiba D2, Akita, you know, doesn't matter, you know, Cam Rockets, Pregnant, but he was buying literally everything. He was buying everything and was hodling for a long time, and he made millions. Literally, I cannot find the chart, but there was some very nice chart about this guy. Let me try to find it. Guy buys meme coins chart, bought all. Remember the image. Bitcoin, meme coin chart, crypto coin chart, bought all. Excel sheet. It's an Excel sheet. Is this one? I think it's this one. Let me see. No, it's not this one. There was a guy that was buying literally. Here it is. No, it's not. Maybe Excel meme coins. Where's this? I'm gonna try to find the list, guys. It's so interesting, man. He made millions. Meme Ponzi crypto coins. It's not this one. It's not this one. Which one is it? Nah, I can't find it. I don't know where it is. I'm uploading 2 minutes. Check your tweet. Knock. Are you that fast? Do you know what's going on with Solana? I have absolutely no clue. I know that somebody was some people are shilling our wave, and I was thinking if I'm gonna make a video about our wave right now. There is a hobby that says more. So there is this thing, you know. Oh, this looks nice. I should have made a video about this. I should have known, you know, it's breaking up, you know. It was looking bearish, but right now it looks bullish. So everybody's talking about this right now. I think I might, you know, make a video tomorrow when everybody goes into, you know, start talking about it. I don't know what's happening with Solana, man. What's happening with Solana right now? Solana minus 0.16%, so not much. R-Wave, yeah, but why is still everybody talking about R-Wave, by the way, guys? It's better than just 65k. Check it. Okay, let's go. Guys, we are gonna have a live preview of Twitter. Let's go to Twitter. I hope you tagged me, man. Let's see here. Mentions. Wait. Well done, man. Well done. You know what? You deserve a free Patreon. Go to my Patreon right now. Okay, go to here. Patreon, the late adopter. Okay, you join anyway, which one of you one of these two, and I'm gonna refund you money. Okay, at the end of the month. Okay, so you get out for free. You get 1 month free Patreon because this was insane, man. This was insane. Well done, man. Well done. I like it. I like it a lot. We gotta retweet that. We gotta retweet. Oh wait. Undo retweet. We gotta quote tweet. And we gotta, CoinSkid. Yeah, we gotta have CoinSkid, right? And then there's this guy, Jordan Cameron, right? And who more do I know? I know Mikuji. Well, the moon, I have him here, Lark. But these are big guys. Then I can see it, Tom Jordan. Who more do I have? Twitter. We gotta retweet this great. Epic guys, epic stuff. Let's see here. Who's on my Twitter? I got 10 following. Bitcoin Hyper, yeah. At Bitcoin Hyper. Let's understand the moon. Mikai. This is Mikuji Crypto. And that's it. I don't know anybody else. Okay, tweet. There we go. Now the CoinSkid has to do his thing, and knock, you're gonna explode. Thornton Melon. Okay, guys, we gotta follow this guy. We gotta follow him. Nice. You gotta follow because you made the nice stuff. Personal expectation of what BNB did last year is 300. I don't think you can top your editing skill next time. Yeah, this was good, man. This was nice. But yeah, it's nice. I mean, timing could be a little bit better, but it's good. I like it, man. I like it a lot. Yeah, RV. I should have made a video on RV, man, because this move up here is bullshit. I'm gonna go and make video tomorrow. Tomorrow is coming video on RV. I don't know why, but people are talking about RV, so I'm gonna talk about it. So it's gonna go to the moon, guys. It's gonna go to the moon. Oh, look at Bitcoin. Maybe Bitcoin is even doing that. Oh, look at that, guys. We are going to the 64.8. We're going to 64.8. I cannot stream forever, man. I cannot stream forever. Let's see here. Where is the breakout? Where is the break moment? Down here? No. Up here? Yeah. Maybe something like this. Give or take. Come on, get support here. Blessed. If it goes above this line up here, okay, I'm gonna watch for like 10 minutes more or something. If it goes up above this line up here, it's done. Stay on for 24 hours. No, that's not happening, man. Coffee overdose needed right now. Now we are pretty much done with the stream. We are just just waiting for the stuff to go up a little bit. It's this pullback is needed because right now you're gonna up, you pull back, then you go up a little bit, and then you're out of the mess. This can take time, man. We can do research on meme coins. What is if you go to CoinCap, and see what's memeing. Flocky Inu right now, Baby Flocky Billionaire, Dodge Dash, HyperX, Rockstar Dodge, Cody. Flocky Inu. But you know, we are late because you know it got released like in 7, 10. What's that? 7. That's July. It's been released for a while. Flocky been alright for a while. You know, I don't know. I don't know if we are late or not. Let's go to Dex. Let's copy address. Let's go to the Dex tools. It's like the old story of the fox and grapes. Well, dangling just out of reach. Yeah, it's dangling just out of reach, but you know, it might actually reach it. Flocky! La Flock! Let's see Flocky on a daily chart. Oh, it's looking on a daily chart. It was down here and went down, and it was, you know, this is the buying time, and then it, you know, just kind of climbing. But right now, you know, if you zoom out, maybe people are early. But people have been talking about Flocky for a long time, so I don't see these kind of moves up here. I don't know. Maybe I should just get, you know, since Flocky is, where is it? Since Flocky is just going towards the upside, maybe I should get some Flocky. I mean, it is just going towards the upside, like. Kuma Inu. Can you just write the name? Kuma Inu. Kuma. There is no Imu. Kuma Inu. This is 916, so there's a lot of liquidity in this one. Well, it had the first pump, so. Done. How much the first pump? I don't know. Maybe just the start, I don't know. I like how you made this, the thing goes up and down, like, that's nice. And the chains are nice, man. Well done. Inu stands for incoming rug pull. Yeah, but before the rug pull, it's pumping. Tila, buy some BTC, bro. We want new all-time high. Let's see this 5-minute chart. Come on. Why is 5-minute chart messing with us, man? Why is 5-minute chart? If it goes below 50 again, I'm done. I'm closing the stream. Don't go below 50. Yellow line. Don't go below 50. If it opens below 50, it's gonna be bad. Doesn't matter. It's open below 50. I'm done. Okay, guys. It might pump. It might not pump. I'm done. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for being here. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Oh man. Okay, let's ask about, will Bitcoin hit 64.8k before daily close? You must respect the 8-ball. There we go. Ask without a doubt. There you go, guys. Without doubt. You got 55 more minutes and it's gonna be 64.8. And if it does that, go to my Twitter and say, man, the 8-ball was right. 8-ball was right. Where's the stop button? Yeah, where's the, there is the stop button.